Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to disable Windows 11 startup sound correctly and how to turn off beep and critical stop sounds. First, go down to the taskbar on the right side and right click on the speaker. Click on sound settings and then scroll down until you see more sound settings. Click here. A new window is open now. Click on the tab sounds and here you can uncheck play Windows startup sound. Apply, and now you already removed the Windows startup sound. You can also remove the critical stop sound, and if you go down a little bit, the default beep sound. If you click on one of them and test, you can hear it. Default beep. You can also change it by choosing another one, or just deactivate or disable. Apply. Apply. Perfect, now the critical stop sound and the default beep sound are both disabled. Thank you for watching and see you next time.